Hey, what is up guys? iDevice Help here. Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to answer a very popular question nowadays. Over the past several days, we've seen several videos on social media surface of users unlocking their iPhones with Face ID using half of mask, right? So you set up half of the mask on your face, you go through a scanning process, then you do it on the other side, and this supposedly will save that data onto your iPhone and you can unlock it while you wear your mask. Now, I wanted to try this to sort of get all the answers to you guys as possible. So I did went ahead and tested this myself, and this iPhone 12 Pro Max is running iOS 14.3, the latest beta, but it does work on a 14.3, the previous betas as well. I have confirmed that with previous iPhones. So let me show you what I did. The first thing I did was I bent my mask halfway through and I looped it around my ear and wear it on my face halfway on, I guess half mask, if you will. And then I hold it in place just like you see from this video here. And what I did was I went ahead and set up my Face ID. So I went ahead and scanned the first Face ID because you do get two scans. I went ahead and did the first one with half of the mask on the right side of the face. And as you can see there, I did successfully scan the first part. And then I went ahead and set up the second part, which I did as well the same process on the left side of the face. I looped it halfway on, holding it onto my face just like so, and I went ahead and started the second scan with Face ID. Now what I found out was that sometimes you get that object obstruction message, but you can continue moving your head around and this will successfully save your face with a mask. And long and behold, when I swiped up, boom, it unlocked. As you can see, my mask is on over my nose. It is worn on my face. There it is, completely worn on my face on the latest 14.3. I can now unlock my iPhone using a mask on the latest 14.3. Now, let me know if you try this in the comments down below. If it works for you, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I hope this answers the question, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.